Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to protect your privacy and stop data tracking on Threads app. Since Thread is owned by Meta, it collects a lot of data, but you can limit how much is shared. First of all, limit personalized ads. Go to your iPhone settings and then go to privacy and security and then go to tracking. Toggle allow apps to track off. This blocks Threads and other apps from tracking you across websites. Next, open Threads and then go to your profile and then click on the menu on the top right and then go to privacy. Here you can set your account to private, so only approved followers can see your post. Control who can binge on or reply you. Everyone, no one, or profiles you follow. And then manage data sharing. In the Threads app, go to settings and then go to accounts, and you will see the option of linked accounts. If you don't want cross tracking, unlink Facebook or keep only Instagram connected. Now under privacy, there will be option of hidden words, add terms or emojis you don't want in your feed or replies. This cuts down unwanted engagement. Then regularly clear your data. Go to settings and then search for security and then clear your search history. And review your app permission on iPhone to make sure Thread is not overreaching. Safety tip: never share personal info in your posts or DMs. Assume it's always visible to Meta. Quick fix: if you still see targeted ads, check your Meta ads preference via your linked Instagram or Facebook and turn off ad topics and interests as much as possible. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.